welcome to my YouTube channel. Martha Okal is your girl right here, hooking you up with another video. I know it's been a while since I dropped a video on YouTube. I have been so busy with work, but now I have breathing space. I'm going to be hooking you up with those cooking videos. They're going to be coming like this, so keep watch. I'd like to give a special shout out to Della Olivia for subscribing, Yvonne Ocheng, Dorothy Abuto, Nelly Wambui, and also Dorcas Tabi. She tried my liver recipe and she says, I tried this and it was wow, amazing. Thanks for sharing. I am so humbled, and it's very encouraging. I mean, when you're getting support from your fellow Kenyans, because I'm Kenyan, it's really encouraging. I was giving up on this channel, but when I logged in and found out that I am at over 6,000 views, it was quite encouraging. So today I'm going to be hooking you up with an avocado smoothie recipe that is so simple. You're going to thank me after I've shown you this recipe. And Christmas is around the corner. If you want something new for your guests, look at my videos before. I did one on a dessert. I'm going to link it in the description, so check that video out and just show your visitors. Anyway, for this recipe we're going to use cinnamon powder, we're going to use citric acid, we're going to use our distilled water, and then vanilla essence, 1 avocado, and sugar. So let's get blending. So I've already put in the avocado inside the blender. Now I'm just going in with water. You put water according to the thickness that you'd like to see. Okay. Next we'll drop in a bit of citric acid. That should do. Then cinnamon powder. Next I'll add in about 4 teaspoons of sugar. I don't really like my smoothie so sweet. Lastly, give a generous amount of vanilla essence. Yeah. We are now ready to blend. As you can see, it's a bit too thick, so I'm going to add in a bit of water. Pouring my smoothie into the glass is life. Look at that consistency. Yes! And now for the tasting. Voila! Wow. This is life. Guys, you need to try this smoothie. What? For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Bye!